Hey, Blake here, the drink chef and your personal bartender. And today I'd like to show you how to make one of my favorites called the Salty Dog. Very simple cocktail, but great flavors. Usually built in a bucket glass, always with a salt rim. It's a vodka and fresh grapefruit juice cocktail. So we'll build this directly into the serving glass. I'll fill that full of ice. I'll take my vodka on this side. We've got 1.5 ounces of vodka. Since it's a mixed drink, pour that right on top. Okay. Then I'll take 2 ounces of my grapefruit juice. Fresh grapefruit juice is always best. Pour that right on top of here. Garnish this with a lime and a straw, and that is the perfect Salty Dog. Cheers from the Drink Chef.